Now in this session we are going to see mod or modulo. What is mod or modulo? This is a reminder you get after dividing the number, after dividing one number by the other number. Mod or modulo. What is that? It is a remainder after dividing one number by the other number. For example, straight away we are going for example. 71 congruent. This 3 lines if it comes, 2 lines we will say equal to, 3 lines if it comes it is called congruent. Congruent. 3 lines we will call this as congruent. For mod we are taking the symbol x mod 8. So simply, it is very simple sum. When you have like this 71 congruent x mod 8 inside bracket, the meaning is remember that 71 must be divided by 8. Any remainder you get, you have to write it here plus or minus whatever it is, remainder. When you divide by 71 by 8, small number you cannot divide, take 71. 8 only goes because 8 8s are 64. What is the balance remainder here? 7. So your answer here for x is 7. So what we are doing? Mod means remainder when you divide one number by the other number. So mod 8 means it is remainder 71 you have to divide by 8, and whatever remainder you are getting, write it plus or minus that number. We are going to, this is very simple example I used to explain mod. Now we are going to next sum. 89 congruent x plus 3 mod 4. So when you find like this function in addition or subtraction or division, your procedure is very same. Take this x plus 3, bring it to LHS. So you are getting 89 minus of x plus 3. Now this one, take it as equal to sign. What is mod 4 is given. So you have to take it as 4n. What is the meaning for 4n? Multiplication. 4n means you are taking factors of n, or we can say this is n can be taken as 1, 2, 3 etc. any numbers. So now we are going to remove this bracket in the next step. 89 plus into minus minus x plus into minus minus 3. No number we can have taken as plus is equal to 4n. Now 89 numbers, 89 minus 3, what you are getting? 86 minus x equal to 4n. So 86 minus x is equal to 4n. You have to find here the number x, but it must be least positive integer. So the sum is find the least positive integer. Least positive integer x, such that this is given. So that means when you any number when you multiply, you have to get multiple of 4. For that what we are doing is, now suppose you are subtracting 1, what you are getting? 85. Is it divisible by 4? Check it. 85 surely not divisible by 4. 86. First check n equal to x equal to 1. When you substitute x equal to 1, you are getting 86 minus 1 equal to 85. It is not divisible by 4. You will get the remainder. When you are dividing, you should not get remainder. Your remainder must be 0. Next you take x equal to 2. So 86 minus 2 is equal to 84. When you divide by 4, your 8 goes 2 times, 4 goes 1 times, you are getting the value 21. So what is the value now? Your answer is now x value only. They are not asking this answer 21. They are asking least integer. So least integer is 1 we cannot take because it is not divisible. When you divide, you are getting remainder, so it is not divisible by 4. But when you take x equal to 2, it is correctly divisible, and you are getting the quotient 21, remainder 0. So we can take x equal to 2 as a least positive integer answer. Now you understand, children? Find the least positive integer value x such that 89 congruent to x plus 3 mod 4. So 89, bring it this side, x plus 3 equal to 1. Now we have to use only equal to sign 4n because it is mod 4 means it is multiple of 4 only. So 89 minus x, remove the bracket, plus into minus 3 equal to 4n. Now 89 minus 3, only constants, simplify. 89 minus 3 is plus 86 minus x equal to 4n. So now you have to substitute for x values and check, but at least, lowest number. So start from 1. When you substitute 1, it is divisible, not divisible. When you substitute 2, it is correctly goes 21 times, remainder 0. So stop here and write the value x equal to 2 is the answer. Children, I hope you understand this mod concept.